Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we'll do something completely different I've never done before. We'll cook this duck here in this FOODi DELUXE. So let's get started with it. First thing we've got to do is get this thing out of its wrapper here. Now when I got this it was froze, and so I've let it set in the fridge for a couple of days, thawing out slowly. And I watched a lot of different videos on these. I haven't seen anybody attempt one in the FOODi DELUXE, so we're going to see how this turns out. Okay, now there it is all unwrapped, and in the cavity here, looks like, I guess that's the liver, heart, looks like another heart, and a little piece of gizzard. Put them in the sink because I'm probably not going to use either one of those. Just to dispose of them. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to move over here a little bit and going to wash this bad boy off. Oops, there's another piece of a gizzard that just came out. I might fry these pieces of gizzards up after a while. I like gizzards. I might just throw them in the pot and eat them when they come out. And there's the neck. Just keep getting stuff out of this thing. Okay, that's everything. Because my hand went from one end to the other. So lay it back down this plate. Clean up my mess. Okay, now I've been told that this is a pretty fatty bird, and so in order to release some of that fat, you need to score it, you know, like this. Now, I'm sure some people is going to tell me that's not the way to do that, and it might not be, but I will go find out in a few minutes. And then we'll turn it over on the other side. Sounds like he's quacking. You know he's not still quacking. We'll do the same thing over here. You do need a sharp knife to do this, and this Cuisinart knife here is about sharper you go get one. Because I'm not putting any pressure on that. I'm just pulling it. There you go. Now next thing we'll do, we'll salt it down just a little bit. Get those sea salt. I'll put a little pepper on them while I'm at it. Not a whole lot, just a little. Okay, now I'm just going to take some Swanson's chicken broth here and put down in here. I've used this 33% less sodium. Makes a lot of sense because I just now salted down that bird. And we'll put in just a little bit over a cup. Okay, now we'll take this little trivet or whatever you want to call it that came with this FOODi DELUXE, put down in this pot. And now we're going to take this beautiful duck, put right down in there. Tuck him in a little bit. Get tucked in, buddy. Alright. Now we'll take this pressure lid and put it on top here. Counterclockwise till it stops. Make sure your vent back here sets a seal. And come over here and turn on the power. Put it over here on pressure. And I'm going to put it on there for 20, hit the time button, and the time button will start flashing, and you run it up to 20 minutes. Now I don't want this to be cooked all the way through because I'm going to bake it when it cooks. So that's why only the 20 minutes. So it's on high for 20 minutes, now hit the start button. And of course you know how these little lights do until it builds up pressure and then it'll start counting down. So while you got a second, if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure appreciate it. And thank you very much to all you people that watches our videos. It sure does mean a lot to us. And so we'll be back in a couple of minutes when this thing gets about ready. Okay, now it's been exactly 10 minutes since I hit that start button, and that little chrome button back there is fixing to pop up. And I saw it move one time already, so as soon as it pops up, it'll take about another 45 seconds to a minute and a half, and it'll start counting down. And there it comes now, sealed. Okay, and there it goes now. It took about a minute and a half to start counting down after it's sealed up. So now all we have to do is wait for 20 minutes and we'll open it up and see what it looks like and do some more stuff to it. Through the magic of YouTube, y'all won't have to wait 20 minutes. All you have to do is wait for right now. See, and it's already been warming up for just a minute and 20 seconds. So, got preoccupied with something. So, I'm going to hit the relief valve up here on this thing. Let me see if I can do it so you can see it. Just release the pressure off of it. Get it going here. Okay, now the steam's about finished coming out of it, and it's just about ready to drop. And there it went. So now let's open this lid and see what we've got down here. Let me move the camera just a little bit closer. I don't want it to get steamed up though. Turn it counterclockwise. Make sure you turn it away from your face. Oh, that looks good right there. Now we'll take this out and put it on this plate over here, so I can doctor on it a little bit. Boy, that looks good. And I know it's done. It's probably done enough to eat without any problem. But now we got crispy skin up. We want it to be crispy. So let me get moved over here. Okay, now we'll leave it on this rack and lift it right up out of this pot here. Right up here and set it down. Just like that. Now that's looking pretty good right there already. Now let me show you down this pot. Down in there, all that fat that everybody was talking about, see, that's nothing but just fat. Now, I'm going to empty this pot out because we want everything to be as dry as we can get it so that this thing will crisp up. Okay, now I'm trying to pat him dry as I can. This is about the third time I've patted it down a little bit now. Okay, now I got everything dried off pretty good and got that pot emptied and dried out. Now, next thing we'll do is put some of this soy sauce on here. You see, whatever that name is, a soy sauce here. Kiki Never mind. It's soy sauce. And so, a liberal amount on here and let it soak in good. Like that. We'll rub it in. Okay, now we'll take my Evo spray bottle here with olive oil in it. Spray on here. Because I want this thing to crisp up pretty good. Now we'll put it right back down in that Ninja FOODi Deluxe over here. Alright. Now, I'm going to shut this crisper lid here, and we'll turn on the power. I'll put it over here on air crisp. I'll run it up to 400 degrees. Now I'm only going to put it on 10 minutes for the time being, but now we'll check. We'll check in a minute in about 5 or 7 minutes just to see what it looks like in there. And then we'll hit the start button. Okay, there it goes. Like I say, I want it to crisp up pretty good now. I'm going to tell y'all right now, it sure is starting to smell good in here. Let's take a look inside that pot and see what it looks like. It's only got about 2 minutes to go, but still I don't want to take a chance on burning it, so hold on. Oh, isn't that starting to look pretty now? I want it to be a whole lot crispier looking than that though, so let's let her go on for a while longer. Might even have to add some time to it in a minute. Okay, now it's coming to the end of that 10 minutes. I'm going to look at it. I'll move you over here so you can look at it. And that's not quite crispy enough for me and dark enough. No, that's got to crisp up some more than that. So we want to add another 10 minutes to it and let it do that, and let's see what happens then. So we'll shut the lid back. And I'm going to put the temperature up to 400 again. Now we'll put the time back on 10 minutes. And then we'll put the start button. Now, I think when this 10 minutes is up, I don't care what it looks like, I'm going to eat it because it just smells too good to leave it sitting there. So it can't stay in there much longer. Okay, now we're down to about 30 more seconds in this. And I forgot to tell y'all the whole time, every once in a while I've been taking a temperature reading. This thing's supposed to be up about 165 or something like that. Last time I checked it, it was just a little bit shy of that, so we'll check it one more time, but I'm hoping this will be done right here. But if it's not, we can put another minute or two on there and make it up there. It's 100, I think I said between 165 and 170, something like that. If it's 165, I'll be satisfied with it. See. Boy, it sure does look good. Let me see if I can get y'all over here where you can see it a little better. Look at that bird now. Oh, that's crispy too. I hit a bone. Don't want to hit a bone. There we go. Yep, it's 170. I get away from bones. There we go. All right. 170 everywhere we go. Either 170 or a little bit high. So next thing we're going to try to do is get it out of this pot and get it on a plate over here. Okay, one thing for sure, this thing is hot, hot. Now, let me see if I can get these tongs in it right here. Get them over here on this plate. Alright. There's a gizzard I dropped down there. I don't know if that'd be any good or not, but I might try it in a few minutes to see. That little wire rack is still hot, by the way. Don't touch it. Alright, let's see what it looks like here. Oh yeah, see how crispy that is? Oh geez, that looks good. Let me see if I can get a piece of the breast over here that y'all can see. Of course, now the wings, they didn't fare too well. Let's try a little piece of this breast here so you can see it. That was delicious right there. Duck leg. Hot duck leg. That was really good. Now that's a really delicious bird right there. I'll tell you, if you ever try one, I think you'll really like it. Well, it's a little bit dark. I think all of it's going to be like dark meat, which is fine with me because I like the dark meat anyway. But now that's a good tasting bird. Now we'll do another one of these because this is good. You can see it right here. I'm going to see if I can get another piece off this breast right here so you can get a little better idea. There you go. Now there's not as much meat on this duck as there is on chicken. But you can see how it looks. See, it's not white meat like on chicken. The breast is not. It's still dark. Okay, that's about it for this little duck here. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And I don't know if there'll be any of this left when Kay gets home or not. If I don't stop eating it on it, it won't be. But anyway, thanks again for watching. If y'all can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. We sure appreciate it. And I hope you come back and see me real soon. Hope to have another video for you soon. So, till next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now. Goodbye.